K2 Scientific, and I'm going to show you how to remove the top on a K202 glass door refrigerator. It's also the same for the 204 and the 210 refrigerators and freezers. The first step is to remove the two screws in the back of the top. The next step is to lift the top up. There may be pins on either side of these little tabs, so you might have to use a little force to get them over the pins. There you go. Next, you slide the lid forward. And as you can see, the lid is held on by these two steel tabs. The underside of the lid has a flat piece that goes underneath the tabs. To install the lid, slide it far enough forward so that the metal piece can go underneath the tab. With the metal piece underneath both tabs, press the door alarm sensor and start sliding the lid back. Once the lid is pushed back, you can lift it up and put it over the tabs. Replace the screws.